Okay, and now we mix it and wait to see if it's bubbling or not. If it's bubbling, that means the cookie will break apart. Yeah, let's do it. 2 hours later. Miss Leah, Miss Leah. What is it, girls? Look. Look. My 4 cups. They're bubbling. Look, mine broke apart. Mine broke apart and it's bubbling too. Mine's not breaking apart or bubbling. My cookie's not breaking apart or it's bubbling either. Wait, what? This can't be true. How much did you actually put in? I don't know. I just guessed. I don't know how much to put in. I'm new to this project. Oh, I forgot. You never done this before. You actually added too many. You actually put in too many orchid solution. What?